come along with me to a grave digging in Jamaica. And in this video, I will show you guys how they get down for a grave digging. At the grave digging, there'll be cooking, obviously, and the digging of the grave. But in this video right here, I will be focused on the cooking part. Right here, you see my aunt, she's peeling cassava. On the menu for this grave digging was curry chicken. This is some stew pork right here. So curry chicken, stew pork, boiled sweet cassava, some seasoned rice, and a big old pot of chicken foot soup. In here is friends and family helping out to the best, and they're the best. Thank you guys, everybody. Love all of you guys. Thanks for all you do. And yeah, so just enjoy the rest of the little clips from it. If you wanted to see the full-length video, it is on my YouTube channel right now, Nicole and Patrice. Go ahead and see the full-length video if you want to. Link in bio, link below. Thank you guys, and do not forget to subscribe while you're there, like and comment. But do not forget to subscribe. Again, full-length video is over on YouTube at Nicole and Patrice.